When you're looking at Freshchat as your customer support solution, there are a few things you really need to know before you dive in. It's a solid platform for live chat and messaging, but is it the right fit for your business? Let's break down the 7 key points you should consider before buying. First off, Freshchat is all about giving businesses a more conversational way to connect with customers. Compared to other tools like Intercom or Zendesk Chat, Freshchat is more affordable for small to medium-sized businesses, making it a great option if you're not ready to commit a big chunk of your budget to customer support software. But while it's affordable, that doesn't mean it cuts corners when it comes to features. Next thing to consider is the ease of integration. Freshchat seamlessly integrates with other Freshworks tools and a variety of third-party applications, which makes it really versatile. Whether you use Salesforce, HubSpot, or Shopify, Freshchat plays well with others. However, if you're relying on a highly customized CRM or workflow system, setting it up might take a little more effort than expected. The third thing you need to know is about automation. Freshchat offers automated messaging features like AI chatbots that can take over simple inquiries, but don't expect a fully AI-powered support system like some competitors, such as Drift, which really focus on AI-driven conversations. Freshchat's automation can handle repetitive tasks, but might require more manual effort when it comes to handling complex customer queries. The fourth thing to keep in mind is the mobile app. If you're running a business on the go, Freshchat's mobile app is surprisingly solid. The mobile experience is pretty smooth, and you can manage chats, view reports, and handle tickets all from your phone. But compared to other platforms like Intercom, it's not as feature-rich when it comes to mobile capabilities. Moving on, let's talk about the pricing structure. Freshchat offers a free plan, which is great for startups or smaller businesses that need basic functionality. But if you want advanced features like chatbots, analytics, or integrations, you'll need to move up to a paid plan. That being said, the pricing is very competitive compared to other software in the market. It's a good middle ground, offering a lot for a relatively low cost. The sixth thing to consider is the user interface. Freshchat's UI is clean and intuitive, which makes onboarding your team easier than with some of the more complex tools out there. However, if you're coming from a tool with more robust features like Zendesk or even Salesforce Service Cloud, the interface might feel a little simplified. It's easy to use, but you might miss some of the advanced customization options those platforms provide. Finally, let's talk about the support Freshchat offers. Their support team is generally quick and responsive, but some users have reported that troubleshooting can be a bit of a challenge. If you're expecting round-the-clock phone support or a super deep knowledge base like you might get with bigger companies, you might find Freshchat a bit lacking in this area. Now that you have a clearer picture of what Freshchat brings to the table, if you want to try it for yourself, click the first link in the description below to get access to their best free trial and exclusive benefits. This way, you can test it out and see if it's the right fit for your business needs without committing right away.